Welcome to day 37 of 1000 days building a business with Ocean series. Today I managed to get the parts for the computer, then assembled them, and the computer is completely working fine. The performance is quite great. After all of those work, the computer is not functional yet because the Windows OS has corrupted. The file writing and reading is so high, which could lead to SSD wear out. When it comes to hard drives, they rarely wear out. Even if they physically wear out, as we can see, they take a longer time than SSDs, which are not physically wear out, but they digitally or virtually wear out faster than hard drive. I have to move the files to a pen drive, which is slow. Let's say the SSD is like a kind of a bottle, like this height, and the Windows and static content is like here, and only this is free space, and the system uses this much of storage always. Write, delete, read, write. So what happened? These sectors wear out faster than the SSD itself. So that's it for today. See you in day 38.